When you've finished editing your images, Aperture lets you export your photos in a number of standard formats. To export your photos as JPEG, TIFF, or PSD files, select the image or images that you want to export and choose File, Export, Versions. First, choose a destination for the exported images. From the Export Preset menu, pick a preset that defines the format and image size that you want. If you don't see your desired settings in the preset menu, choose Edit and create a new preset. When editing presets, you can choose the specific format, size, resolution, color space, and in the case of JPEGs, image quality level that you'd like for the exported files. By default, Aperture exports images with their current version names. Using the Name Format pop-up menu, you can also define a new naming scheme. When you're ready, click the Export Versions button. To export original master files, select the images that you want to export and then choose File, Export, Masters. You can select several options, including the ability to rename the master files on export and the option to embed IPTC metadata in the resulting master images. If you select Include IPTC, any metadata that you've added within Aperture will be embedded into the exported images, even when working with RAW files. This option allows other software applications to access metadata when opening those files. Alternatively, you have the choice of including the metadata as XMP sidecar files. After making your selections, click Export Masters. In Aperture 2, exporting versions and masters occurs in the background, meaning that you don't have to stop working once you choose to export your images. Aperture also allows you to export whole projects, either to archive or to move to another Mac. If you want to export an entire project, select the project in the Projects Inspector and choose File, Export, Project. Exporting a project produces a single file that contains all of your versions, embedded images, metadata ratings, albums, and more. If you've imported any images as references, you can check Consolidate Images into Exported Project to include those referenced images in the final project file. If you import the resulting project file into another copy of Aperture running on another Mac, the entire project, including all of your adjustments, metadata changes, versions, books, and web pages, will be transferred to the new machine.